An open track is something like a blank canvas. I have 400 meters to show everyone what I've trained for. I've never been able to run before my amputation. Then my technician gave me the chance to try out running blades. So I just felt this is something I've missed 16 years of my life. It's easy for me to be open to share my story if I know I can have such an impact to someone's life. My name is Johannes Floors. I'm a Paralympic track and field athlete, and I run the 400 meters. As a Paralympian, it's really important to be open to criticism, being open to being coachable, to be curious about new things. All this will keep you on the right track in life and in sport. Running form, doing start technique, diving into slow motion, find how the alignment fits to my running style, fits to my blade, my setup, change little degrees, angles. All the physical training, it's all for this one moment in the stadium. It's about being better than myself yesterday.
Powers across the line, 45.86 seconds, so he's just outside. That will be a new Olympic record. And from Germany.
As I started in Leverkusen, I was a rookie. I didn't know anything, and I learned a lot from all the professional athletes there. 10 years later, we have another next generation, and now it's time to give back. New athletes which have a different perspective on things, I can learn as well. My journey isn't one of miracles. It's about being open to sharing, seeing opportunities in front of me, and adapting to what life has given me and running with it.